Starting around 25 walk 2024 Velo essentially is exchanging at $61 in term of its est rate with the value change of 22% in truly most recent 1 hour in a significant manner. Velo basically has a kind of complete market cap of $45,182.17 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of 10 at 10,825,452, which is genuinely critical. This truly makes Velo exceptionally positioning at 702 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Velo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Velo certainly be somewhat worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Velo in all things considered wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2024 in every practical sense enormous way? Will Velo cost explicitly outperform its untouched high in an unpretentious manner? These in a real sense are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, exhibiting that assuming you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the Velo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Velo by and large be for the most part worth in 2024, really in spite of mainstream thinking? Velo value expectation 2024 as per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Velo cost really is supposed to basically cross a truly normal value level of $78. The normal pretty least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the very current year ought to be $76, or so they essentially thought. Besides, Velo can explicitly arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $91 incredibly. Velo value conjecture walk 2024. In walk 2024, the truly most extreme cost for Velo could stretch around $64 in a kind of huge manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in walk 2024 basically is $0.57 with a for the most part normal cost of $60, which is genuinely critical. Velo value gauge April 2024 the kind of normal cost of Velo could for the most part go to $63 toward the finish of April 2024. So Velo value estimate walk 2024. In walk 2024, the in every practical sense greatest cost for Velo could sort of stretch around $64, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo could especially be exchanging around a greatest worth of $66 with the extremely least expected cost of $6, which sort of is very huge. Velo value gauge May 2024. In May 2024 the cost of Velo especially is supposed to generally be at around and in every practical sense, least of $62, exhibiting that these generally are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, showing that on the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Velo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Velo essentially be worth in 2024, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo cost can sort of arrive at a limit of $7 with them for the most part normal cost of $65 in USD or so they explicitly thought. Velo value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the exceptionally greatest cost for Velo could by and large stretch around $72. Most certainly further appearance how starting around 25 walk 2024 Velo fundamentally is exchanging at $61 in term of its OST rate with the value change of 22% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which really is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in June 2024 in every practical sense is $64 with a very normal cost of $967, which truly is genuinely huge. Velo value. Figure July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Velo really is determined to for the most part be at around a genuinely least worth of $66, or so they truly thought. The Velo value worth can explicitly arrive at an in every way that really matters, limit of $75 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $69 in est in an unpretentious way. Velo value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Velo generally is supposed to be at around a truly least of $68, or so they basically thought. Velo cost can arrive at a kind of limit of $78 with the truly normal cost of $71 in est in a by and large significant way. Velo value expectation September 2024. Velo cost certainly is supposed to fundamentally reach between $7 to $1 in September 2024, while the typical cost of Velo for the September explicitly remains around $73 Velo value figure October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Velo truly is supposed to by and large arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of $72. showing the way that Velo cost can arrive at a sort of limit of $0.78 with the sort of typical cost of $0.71 in USD, which really is genuinely huge. The Velo cost could basically arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme cost of $0.84 with the essentially normal cost around $0.74. Velo value conjecture November 2024. The Velo estimate for November 2024 expects that the Velo may really arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme worth of $0.97 with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.73, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Discussing the especially normal value Velo can for the most part stretch around $0.76 for November in a genuinely significant manner. Velo value estimate December 2024. The Velo gauge for December 2024 expects that the Velo may especially arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.91 with an in every practical sense, least cost of around $0.76 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Velo can in a real sense stretch around $0.78 for December, so the Velo value worth can explicitly arrive at a kind of limit of $0.75 with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.69 in USD, which all things considered is very critical. Velo fundamentally passed value examination in the exact. Beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been somewhat diminished by 0.9% in its certainly current worth in an especially large manner. Assuming we explicitly analyze the truly current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, which certainly is genuinely critical. Velo generally is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with in every practical sense other crypto coins, which all things considered is very critical. The Velo truly is down to nearly 0.5% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, showing how Velo value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Velo by and large is supposed to truly be at around a by and large least of $0.68, which truly is very critical. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for essentially past, not very many days. The coin could have kind of solid basics yet. We don't for the most part feel that it would a productive resource in extremely present moment. Further appearance how Velo for the most part is confronting a fundamentally tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value gauge 2024 facts. What will be Velo really worth in 2024 fundamentally, as opposed to mainstream thinking? The Velo cost is estimated to generally arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $0.91 with sort of least cost of $0.76 toward the finish of 2024. Further appearance how Velo value figure 2024 facts. What will sort of be Velo especially worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Does Velo have a future in a very significant manner? As far as value, Velo especially has a remarkable most certainly potential to truly arrive at new levels, or so they in every practical sense thought. It truly is gauged that